Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reine. If you haven't seen me before, if this is your first time on my channel, then I hope you're here to stay. Please hit that subscribe button, join the family, let's grow together. As you guys can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another wig review from ft.UNice hair. Thank you so much to ft.UNice hair for sponsoring this video. This is the beautiful wig we're going to be reviewing today. No lace, no glue. I'm going to be doing a very quick 5 minutes install, and I'm not lying guys, this hair that you see on my head right here took me 5 minutes to do. I did review a VPart wig before from ft.UNice hair, but it was a different texture, and this one is another one, and I do hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people to discover this video just like you. So guys, without any more further ado, let's get it. So guys, as usual, you know there's always some free gifts with a wig. First of all, ft.UNice added some beautiful 3D lashes, some hair clips, a wig cap, and a scarf, as you guys can see. Now let's take a look at this beautiful wig. It was very well packed. As you guys see, when I took it out, it felt extremely full, you guys. I love the color. It's more of a brown than black, which I love, and I believe it will be around color 2 or color 4. In the sun it looks so much brighter, as you guys can see, but that's just what the sun does, y'all. As you guys can see, it's got 4 clips around the hairline and 1 more in the middle. It's also got 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 at the back, and it's also got some adjustable straps. Now to style the wig, I'm going to have a leave out. As you guys see, I did 4 big class on my natural hair, and I left some hair out to do a middle part. And guys, just take a look at how thin this part looks. It's almost undetectable. Even if you chose not to have a leave out, this will look super natural. And with these clips, all you want to do is press it out to clip and press it in to secure. And that's all you do to clip the wig in your hair. You want to make sure that you clip the wig as close to your part as possible. Because I'm doing the leave out today, my hair is obviously going to cover it anyway, so I'm not trying too much, y'all. But if you're someone who doesn't like a leave out, I have a couple of videos on my channel explaining how you can style a VPart wig with no leave out. I will leave those in the description box. I guarantee it will definitely help you, so please check it out. So to make my hair blend in better with this wig, I will go ahead and straighten my hair for the first time in a long time, you guys. I don't remember the last time I put any sort of heat like this in my hair. It's been so long, but I'm only doing it for you guys, okay, to show you guys different ways you can style this wig. There are so many other ways you can stretch your hair out if you don't want to use heat. All you gotta do is ask, and I will show you how you can do that. Can we just take a minute to appreciate how well my hair is blending in with this wig, y'all? It blends in so well. Even though my hair is a little bit darker than the wig, you can't even tell. Like, it just looks super natural. I love it. Guys, at this point, my hair was just being very stubborn. It was a bit coarse, so I was trying to make it look as slick as I could, so that it just looks really like seamless. That's the goal, okay? And that's what I was aiming for. And just look at that blend. This don't even look like a leave out. This looks like my hair is just super long. Literally, guys, I love it. It looks amazing. Guys, ladies, don't forget to do your edges. I always tell you guys, do your edges. Even if your hair is old, if your hair is ugly, doing your edges just makes it look so much nicer. There's just something about doing your edges, so make sure you always do them. And just a little thing as well, you can leave some hair in front so it covers the wig, just in case the wind decides to just blow and expose you. If you do leave that hair out in front, then you'll be ready for that. In my other VPart wig review, I literally spilled all the tea. So after watching this video, you should definitely go and check it out. It'll be very, very helpful. And guys, I forgot to show you guys this headband that also came with the wig. Very helpful for laying your edges. And guys, this wig cap kept showing, which was so annoying because I didn't cover the top with enough hair. But ta-da! We made it work, you guys. And look how cute this looks. How cute would a ponytail look with this wig? Let me know what you guys think. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but on one side of my hair, I realized that my natural hair wasn't in line with the wig. So to fix that, all I did was clip the wig more forward so that it falls down with my natural hair. So take this as a tip if you want your hair to blend in well with the wig and you don't want your natural hair to look like you've got layers or, you know, something like that. So just watch out for that. So guys, there you have it. Super quick and easy install within just 5 minutes. And as you guys can see, this wig is 24 inches long, y'all. I forgot to mention that. It is 150% density, and I will leave the link in the description box to this Kinky straight wig. And of course, if you want to get 10% off, I have a code ft.UNice, which also will be in the description, guys. Make sure y'all check it out. So guys, there you have it. We've unboxed the wig together, we've installed it, and this is the result. I really love the wig. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment box. This wig is so beautiful, and I'm not gonna lie, it was so quick and easy to put on. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think real quick. First of all, zero shedding, no shedding at all, which is amazing. I'm just gonna give this a big clap. Even though the wig is super full, as you guys can see, it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight, and honestly, it just feels like my hair, like, you know, I just love it. No tangles, very, very easy to look after, very easy to put on, very easy to manage. So if you're someone who's never had a wig before or you don't know where to begin, this wig is perfect. And guys, this is obviously human hair. You can curl it, you can dye it, you can do whatever you want to it, just like human hair. So guys, these are all my observations. I have nothing bad to say about this wig. Honestly, it's really, really good. 10 out of 10 for me. That's the rating I'm giving this wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people to discover this video just like you. And guys, if you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot, and I'm trying to grow this channel. We're trying to reach 2K by the end of this month. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's do this. Let's grow together, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.